Hello, my name is Bill. I'm a technical sales engineer for Liquid Web. We are kicking off our first webisode series, and this series is called Reseller Solutions. Our first webisode will be covering an overview of Liquid Web's hosting. We'll start with our shared hosting options. Liquid Web offers a variety of expert shared hosting plans that fit any need, no matter whether you're starting a blog with WordPress, installing a CMS solution with Drupal, starting an online store with OS Commerce. Our expert web hosting plans are exactly what you've been looking for. Our shared hosting has a few tiers. We have our standard plan, our webmaster plan, our professional plan, and semi-dedicated plan. Each plan comes with unlimited email accounts, unlimited MySQL databases, secure SSH secure shell access, redundant nightly backups, and is fully managed by our heroic support. Coming to our standard plan, you also receive 5 gigabytes of SSD disk space for fast disk transfers with 2 free domain names. If you were to pay this annually, it would only come out to $12.46 a month. That is a great deal to host a site. Coming to our webmaster plan, we have 20 gigabytes of SSD disk space, again, fast transfers, 3 free domain names, and it would only cost $16.66 a month if you paid annually. Our professional plan has 40 gigabytes of SSD disk space. Can't tell you enough about those transfers. Very, very fast. 5 free domain names and a dedicated IP address. If you were to pay annually, you would only be paying $20.79 a month. And our semi-dedicated plan has guaranteed CPU and RAM, guaranteed to you and not shared by others. You would have 1 CPU core and 1 gig of RAM all to yourself, no sharing. You would have burstable speeds of up to 2 CPUs and 2 gigs of RAM for that needed extra oomph when you have high traffic. 40 gigabytes of SSD disk space, again, very, very speedy disk transfers, and a dedicated IP address. If you were to pay annually with this package, it would only cost you $33.33 a month. Before we go further in hosting options, I'd like to cover our heroic support. If you've heard of Liquid Web, you have heard of heroic support. We have our fully managed support level, which is where we will manage your hardware, web server, and offer best effort support for third-party software. Fully managed servers include a CMS, which is either cPanel or Plesk, which are the industry-leading control panels. Our core managed service level is looking for management, but you don't require a CMS. We will manage the server's infrastructure, the hardware, and the core elements of the LAMP stack. And we have our self-managed option, which you're the expert, you manage the server. We'll manage the hardware and infrastructure behind that, but you're managing the server yourself. Now we come to our managed dedicated server solutions. From entry-level shared plans to our largest enterprise solutions, our Linux and Windows hosting options can benefit your project and fit within your budget. Our 24/7, 365 heroic support staff is trained and knowledgeable in all available hosting solutions and will always remain available to answer any questions you may have with regard to Linux or Windows hosting and how it can serve your specific needs. We are on staff here 24/7, 365. There's always some live person here monitoring your server and waiting to assist you with any issues that you may have. Again, with all our dedicated server features, we offer 100% network uptime guarantee, server hardening with Server Secure, that's with Windows, our 24/7 sonar monitoring, always there heroic support, need to say it again, best in the industry, and every dedicated server offers a RAID 1 primary array along with a bonus SSD drive. You can use that SSD drive for however you see fit. For databases, if you're looking for speedy I/O times, this is a good option using the SSD drive. And these are all included with all our dedicated server features. To touch on a little further with Liquid Web's dedicated Windows hosting, we are a certified Microsoft partner, and we will provide you all of your Windows hosting needs. With the rise in popularity of scalable, highly available databases and ASP.NET scripts, many of our users have turned to a Windows hosting solution. Our knowledgeable 24/7, 365 heroic support team stays on the cutting edge of all our hosting solutions and is always available to serve your needs and answer your questions. Liquid Web also offers hybrid hosting. Liquid Web customers discovered the remarkable power of provisioning their managed dedicated servers, or physical servers, in conjunction with their newly developed Storm server applications. The combination of piecing paramount durability with the easy scaling and pay-as-you-go control of Storm servers, which we will cover in a later webisode, all within the same wholly owned data center, unlock the future of hosting, the hybrid environment. Many have discovered the vast advantages of hybrid hosting with Liquid Web, and dedicated customers with sensitive data that also experience occasional spikes in traffic on their sites or possess the need to develop on the fly have found that this combination delivers all of the features they are looking for and more, while providing a secure and creative approach to enter the cloud hosting market. We come to Liquid Web's game server hosting, which is one of my son's favorite features of Liquid Web. As gaming technology is upgraded almost daily, so are the needs of those looking for hosting. We have kept our finger on the pulse of these changes and have taken the necessary steps to offer a gaming experience uninterrupted by unnecessary latency or downtime caused by the infrastructure underpinning your games, or you're constantly getting fragged. You need more horsepower. We have it available. While this is remarkably difficult to handle in-house, we have the resources to make handling any gaming load a breeze. With our extensive peering network and 24/7, 365 heroic support, we keep on hearing about heroic support, we will ensure that you stay up to responsive service and lightning fast speeds. And lastly, we have our HIPAA-compliant data centers and hosting solutions. HIPAA compliance is very, very important, especially these days. All of our data centers are designed to provide you with the tools to ensure compliance physically, environmentally, and across the entire network infrastructure, in addition to providing around-the-clock HIPAA-trained, yes, heroic support engineers on site whenever you need them. Additionally, a Business Associate Agreement, or BAA, is available upon request, which will require the acquisition of server configurations that meet minimum security requirements. Again, our heroic support team would assist you with those requirements. Thank you for choosing Liquid Web as your web hosting provider. We realize that there are several other options for hosting your content, and we appreciate your business. Please contact us with any questions or concerns so that we may make your web hosting experience the very best. Thank you.